Sharks have been swimming these oceans for 450 million years. They survived 5 mass extinctions. They outlived the dinosaurs. And in all that time, they almost never get cancer. They rarely get infections. Their wounds heal faster than almost any creature on Earth. So what is their secret? It's not what you think. Scientists have been studying sharks for decades, and they keep finding something strange. Tumors that should exist don't. Infections that should spread stop. Diseases that devastate other ocean animals barely touch them. For years, people assumed it was their cartilage. You've probably heard that. Sharks don't get cancer because they have no bones. But that's wrong. That was a myth sold in supplement stores for profit. The real reason is buried much deeper, inside their blood. Here's where it gets interesting. Sharks have 2 immune systems. Most animals, including us, have 1. A shark runs 2 at the same time, working together like nothing else in nature. The first is called the innate immune system. It's the fast responder. When something foreign enters the shark's body, a bacteria, a parasite, a virus, this system fires within minutes, not hours, but minutes. It identifies the threat, marks it, and starts destroying it before most creatures even know they're sick. But that's just layer 1. Here's the part nobody talks about. Inside a shark's liver and their blood, scientists discovered a compound called Squalamine, a natural molecule. And when they tested it in labs, what they found was extraordinary. Squalamine attacks viruses, not bacteria, viruses. It blocks viruses from entering cells. It basically tells a virus, you cannot get in. Dengue fever, hepatitis, yellow fever. In lab tests, Squalamine fought them all. 1 molecule inside every shark, doing the job that entire pharmaceutical companies are trying to replicate. We are literally studying shark blood to build the next generation of antiviral medicine. But the immune system doesn't stop there. Sharks also have the second layer, the adaptive immune system. This is the learning system. It remembers every disease the shark has ever faced, every virus, every bacterium, and builds custom antibodies against each one. But shark antibodies are structurally different from ours. Theirs are smaller, more flexible. They can reach places in the body that human antibodies simply cannot get to. Scientists call them IgNAR antibodies, immunoglobulin new antigen receptors. And they are so unique, so effective, that medical researchers are engineering them right now to fight HIV, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. A shark antibody, fighting human illness. That's not science fiction. That's happening today. Now let's talk about the outside, because the immune system isn't just inside a shark. Their skin is part of the defense. Shark skin is covered in tiny, tooth-like structures called dermal denticles. They're microscopic, and they create a surface so textured, so hostile, that bacteria physically cannot attach to it. No bacteria, no biofilm, no infection from the outside in. NASA and medical companies have copied this pattern and used it on hospital surfaces to stop bacterial infection spreading. A shark's skin is basically nature's antibiotic coating, wrapped around the entire body, from birth. And when a shark does get injured, watch what happens. Sharks have been filmed with enormous bite wounds, chunks taken out of their body, and within days, the wound begins closing. Within weeks, nearly healed. No infection, no sepsis, no swelling that spirals out of control. Their blood clots faster than ours. Their tissue regenerates at a rate that puzzles scientists.
One study found that sharks carried genes that actively repair DNA damage in real time. Think about that. While their body is fighting off the outside world, their genes are quietly rewriting damage from the inside. So let's bring this together. A shark has a lightning-fast first immune response, a unique antiviral compound no other animal has, adaptive antibodies that reach where ours cannot, skin that bacteria cannot colonize, wounds that heal before infection takes hold, and genes that repair themselves. This is not one secret. It is 6 layers of biological armor, built over 450 million years of evolution. And we are only now, in the last 20 years, beginning to understand it. The ocean's greatest predator isn't just built to kill, it's built to survive anything. And the medicine that may one day save your life might come from the animal you feared most. Follow for more of what wildlife hides beneath the surface.